Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Johnson & Johnson, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching Johnson & Johnson's current sales strategies. Identify the key elements that have contributed to their success. Analyze their target market and customer demographics. Evaluate the products they offer and how they align with customer needs. Study their marketing campaigns, focusing on messaging and channels used. Examine their distribution strategy and partnerships. Look into their pricing strategies and how they create value for customers. Gather data on sales performance metrics to understand what works and what doesn't. Consider implementing a unique selling proposition that differentiates your offerings. Utilize customer feedback to continuously adapt and refine sales strategies. Leverage social media platforms to enhance brand visibility and engagement. Explore opportunities for cross-selling and upselling within your product range. Encourage a customer-centric approach in your sales team training. Invest in technology that streamlines the sales process and improves communication. Develop a comprehensive content marketing strategy to educate potential customers. Monitor industry trends to stay ahead of competitors. Establish clear goals and performance indicators to measure success. Regularly review and modify sales strategies based on performance data. Foster a culture of collaboration within your sales team for shared success. Stay committed to long-term relationships with clients by offering exceptional customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.